The importance of CCTV systems for security. In today's world, security isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether it's your home, your office, or your business, you need to see what's happening anytime, anywhere. With CCTV systems, you get more than just cameras. You get complete control and total peace of mind. Our systems provide vital security features that ensure your safety. Who we serve: custom CCTV solutions for small/big offices, shops, industries, and apartment buildings. Our CCTV systems deliver crystal clear HD and 4K video, powerful night vision for 24/7 protection, smart zoom to capture every detail, and multi-camera integration for complete area control. Our customers trust us to keep them safe. CCTV gives peace of mind, knowing your property is monitored 24/7. Secure what matters. Protect your family. Protect your business. Thank you for considering our CCTV solutions. For more information, call us today at 865-597-6646.